In this video, we will demonstrate how to flash the UIFlow to firmware onto the Dinmeter, as well as how to edit and deploy programs. Download and install M5 Burner from the M5 Stack official website. In the device list on the left side of M5 Burner, select Dinmeter. Find the UIFlow 2 firmware for Dinmeter, and click Download. Hold down the G0 button on the stamps 3 on the back of the device. Then connect the USB Type-C cable to power on the device. After powering on, the device will enter download mode. Click Burn. Enter the Wi-Fi and other related configuration information. Click Next to flash firmware. After the firmware has been flashed, the device needs to connect to UIFlow 2 before programs can be deployed. Dinmeter supports connecting to UIFlow 2 in two ways: access code or USB. This tutorial uses the access code method. After Dinmeter starts, you can view and get the access code on the develop page of the UI. Before connecting, make sure the device has successfully connected to the network. Open UIFlow to Web IDE. Click Controller to open device list. Click Connect Device. Enter access code and name your device. We'll walk through examples to show program editing on Dinmeter in UIFlow 2. Example 1. Use UI Editor to display Hello M5 Stack on the screen. Drag the screen block to adjust screen brightness. Click Run once for temporary test. Example 2. Button. Use button blockly to display the state of button A when the button is pressed. Example 3. Rotary. Use rotary blockly to read the current encoder value. Example 4. Speaker. Use speaker blockly to make the device beep every 2 seconds. Here's the full demo of programming Dinmeter on UIFlow 2. Give it a try.